What's going guys? Welcome back. Before I do start the video, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing if you do enjoy these videos. But without further ado, let's get back into it. Today's topic is HTML elements. So HTML tags are markup for HTML. They are annotations that provide information about the type of contents they contain. Let's take a close look at the syntax for how HTML tags surround content to create an HTML element. Now the diagram displays an HTML paragraph element. So the whole thing is an element, okay? And as we can see, the paragraph element is made of one P opening tag and the slash P, which is the closing tag. And let's quickly review each part of the element picture. So the HTML element is the unit of content in an HTML document formed by the HTML tags and the text or media that it contains. The opening tag is the element name used to start an HTML element. The tag type is surrounded by opening and closing angle brackets. The contents in the middle is the information, text, or other elements contained between the opening and closing HTML element. The closing tag is the second HTML tag and is used to end an HTML element. Closing tags have a forward slash inside of them directly after the left angle brackets. Now study the diagram to the right to learn about the anatomy of HTML syntax. When you're done, continue to the next exercise. So again, just to recap here, in my own words, the element tag is basically you have the whole element, you have the content in the middle, you have the opening tag, you have the closing tag, and boom, there you go. You have the whole thing, right? It's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory, but yeah, I'm gonna end it right here, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.